How to fix TikTok Stranger Things effect not showing or working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're using a stable internet. If not, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now on the search bar, you want to search for TikTok. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is simply tap and hold on the TikTok app. Now tap on this info icon, which will take you to settings. You can head over to your settings and go to apps and find TikTok as well. Now select the storage option. Here select clear cache. Once that is done, launch open TikTok. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Stranger Things effect in the effects panel. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you will be able to find the Stranger Things effect. If you still don't, then you want to check if this effect is restricted in your region or temporarily unavailable. You also want to disable VPN as it may prevent certain effects from loading. If it still doesn't work, you simply want to uninstall the application and then reinstall it from Play Store. Once you reinstall it, you will be able to get this feature, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.